guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the new SEO features present into WPBakery WordPress Page Builder plugin into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to WordPress dashboard and review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over page, and find one of the pages that you would like to customize or create a new page, okay? All up to you and to your needs. To access WPBakery Page Builder plugin, we need to click into this button, WPBakery Page Builder. It's gonna open for you the editor of WordPress. Right here, you can choose back-end or front-end editor. Up to you and to your needs. I'm gonna use the back-end editor, but I'm gonna share with you the front-end later, okay? Then, this is an empty page. Select the layout and start building. We can choose a default layout with your theme menu, logo type, footer, or a blank layout. Good for landing page, okay? I'm gonna use the default. Then I'm gonna add some elements, maybe some text block, to apply some content to your pages. Just this, okay? Imagine that you have made your page, okay? You have created the design you want, following the tutorials on the Visual Modo YouTube channel WPBakery playlist. Then, how to optimize this page for SEO without installing any extra plugins. First thing, you need to enter a title for this page. Test. Then, review this bar right here, the WPBakery bar, okay? We have the WPBakery logo type, plus button, the button to call templates, undo some changes or redo, and from the right side of your screen we have the gear icon, page settings, the full screen editor, in the case that I want to work on full screen, and right here we have the new WPBakery SEO. What is this? This is the way that WPBakery added to you to optimize your page, okay? So imagine that I would like to optimize this page to appear in search with this keyword, test. This is my keyword. Then I need to enter the SEO title, the slug of the page, and the meta description of the page, okay? This is really important for SEO. Right here we have the content analysis, text life, we have 90 words, we need much more words. We have no image, we need to enter image. We have no internal links, we need to enter internal links. We have no outbound links, we need to enter external links. Consecutive sentence, we have a couple of consecutive sentences. Keyword dynasty, or keyword was found 0 times. And right here we have a couple of successes, okay? So this way WPBakery helps you in order to optimize your page. And you can even use the social preview. We can enter an image to appear when you share your page on social media, for example, Facebook, Twitter, okay? And enter different descriptions and social descriptions for the post. This is really important, okay, to have your page optimized. So let me fix some issues that the plugin told us. Test. Let's make this test as a heading, just like this. Now let's review the results we got. Seems like we're getting more success, more green lights and less headlights. Seems like I need to enter an internal link for my site into this page. So let me apply an internal link. Now if I go to SEO, no more issue on internal link. We have internal links now. But we have outbound links issue. Let me apply a link to this page to an external source. Now let's review. No more outbound links issue. We just need to type more content, apply some image, fix the consecutive sentence issue, and apply the keyword into the introduction, into the first contents of the page, the first paragraph of the page. As soon as you do this, you can start customizing how the content gonna looks like on Google. Here is one example of how the content looks like when it appears on Google. So SEO title, slug, and meta description. This is really important, especially the title and the meta description. After this, review the social and you are good to go. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And this simple SEO analysis helps a lot in order to customize your content and make your site appear more on Google, on Bing, and other search engines, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you guys later. All the best!